There is more out there than your 9 to 5. Trust me. Hello and welcome. My name is Heather and this is all about how to make money blogging. Now, it might seem a little bit strange to some of you that this is an actual way of making money, but trust me, I've done it, I'm doing it, and everyone I've researched is doing it as well. There are thousands, hundreds of thousands of bloggers out there making so much money a month, whether that's $500 or pounds extra a month to supplement their income, or someone like Michelle from Making Sense of Sense, who is a self-made millionaire from her blog alone. In her first 6 months, she was able to pay $40,000 worth of debt off. So I'm talking serious money here. It is 100% possible. However, I am going to manage your expectations and talk about how you can make maybe an extra £500 to £1,000 a month, and you can do it all during nap time. It's that simple. If you are a mum working from home or working a full-time job with kids everywhere and you need a little bit of extra income, this is a perfect way to do so. And it's a great way to do something for yourself. We all know how important it is to have those projects for yourself, especially when you're a parent. It's so easy to lose yourself in like kids, mum, but it's you need some you time. You need some you time, and this is exactly how to do it. So when you make money blogging, you need to start off with a self-hosted website. There's no point running a free blog or one of those blogspot.com things if you want to make money. Brands aren't going to take you seriously. Affiliate partnerships aren't going to want to partner with you. You're going to find it really hard to sign up for AdSense. You're going to find it just difficult in general to get your blog out there. If you are self-hosted, you can put a brand out there, your name. Things that are catchy, things that people are going to remember. My blog is called From Fired to Fabulous. I got fired in August. I lasted 2 weeks at a brand new job and I got fired. It wasn't anything to do with me, it was COVID related. They let me go, but we had just moved. My partner was about to start teacher training. We had no income. That job was going to be our only source of income, and after 2 weeks they let me go. So I needed to find a way to make money quickly and from home, and that's where I started blogging to make money. I've been doing it for a really long time, but this is when I started to really take it seriously. And that's when I saw a really positive change. So the important thing is you need to go self-hosted. The best places to do this are Bluehost, Wix, or Squarespace. Personally, I use Bluehost. I find it the easiest to manage and the best for WordPress integration. Now that sounds a little bit complicated, but WordPress is a really important tool to use when you are going to make money blogging. It's the blogging format. It's the best way to do it. You can use apps on there called plugins that help push your blog out there, help you optimize your content for search engines, and really push your content out there to take yourself seriously, to treat it like a business, and to start making money. In the description, I will leave a link for Bluehost. Please check out Bluehost. Like with Wix, you have to build in WordPress yourself with codes, and with Squarespace, I'm not really sure how it works. It looks like a beautiful website builder, but you want a blog, and WordPress and Bluehost are the best places to host said blog. After you've gone self-hosted, you can start taking yourself seriously as a business owner, and that's the important mindset to have. You need to have the mindset of a business owner. You are not just a blogger sat lounging around her home, fancy, sat on the chaise longue writing all day. You are a business owner and you have to take it seriously. So schedule in your time to write and promote, and you will be able to make money blogging. So one of the ways to do that is affiliate links. Now, once you've gone self-hosted and got yourself your great domain name, you can start pitching yourself to affiliate programs. Now, affiliate programs are things like Share a Sale, Amazon Associates, AWIN, AWIN, all in capital letters. There are several more affiliate programs that do really, really well. You don't need to pitch yourself to them. Essentially, you just sign up for their programs. You can go on their websites, I will link them all below. You can go on them and sign up to their programs individually. So if there's a product you like, you can go on their website, see if it's there, and get an affiliate income from every sale you make. So essentially what affiliate income is you market a product on behalf of another company, and through every sale you get through that link, you get a commission from that company. So if you want to make money fast, you need to look at partnerships with 30% or above commission. If you're getting anything less than that, it's okay, but it's not really worth your time. So pick 4 or 5 high-paying affiliate programs for products that you like, 30% or above, things that you can feel honest about reviewing, honest about talking to your followers about, talking to your readers about, so you can make that genuine connection and make that sale. Because people like people, they don't like companies. So be a person when you talk about those products. Say how it benefited you. Say what you like about it. Don't list the features. They know what the features are. List the benefits. How will using this product benefit you? For example, my editing software is called Filmora 9. Filmora 9 offer an affiliate program, and I love their product so much that I leave it in the description of all my videos to tell you guys about it. I edit my videos with Filmora. I think it's wonderful, easy to use, and it's only a one-time purchase and you get it for life. And I think it was like £50, which compared to other software of like £200 and above, I can get professional quality videos edited from the comfort of my own home with the brain of a monkey. Like I'm not technologically, I can't, essentially, is my point. And Filmora 9 makes it so easy, which is why I talk about it. Digital products tend to work better than physical products. So if you are talking to businesses or people who want to start their own business from home, you need to talk about things that are going to benefit them. And digital products are always the way to do that, because digital products just make everything easier. Like my editing software, Filmora 9. It makes things easier for me. So I talk about it. It's got a good commission rate. So I tell people about it because I think it will benefit them. That's something else. You've got to pick products you're passionate about, because people can see through you. And if you're trying to make a sale, they know. And they're not going to talk to you anymore. They're not going to, you've lost your credibility. You need to be able to talk to them like a person, and it has to be something you like, because people can tell if it's not, and they're not going to trust you, and they're going to buy it. It's going to be rubbish. So you need to really pick something that you're not in to make a quick buck from. I know the goal is to make money, but you need to pick something you're passionate about, otherwise people aren't going to care. You can sell your own digital products through your blogs, things like courses, ebooks, and printables. These are things that I do. I'm working on a course right now. It will launch on January the 1st. It's going to be more in depth on how to make money blogging. I took online courses from people to learn how to do it. I am now putting that, not recycling that information, but putting everything I've learned from my own experience into it and making a course that will benefit people. Ebooks are also a really great way to do that. People want to learn, and people want to learn from home, and the best way to do that is to read an ebook. Non-fiction ebooks tend to do really, really good. Things like self-help books and how to make money books. Do you remember that book that came out a while ago, The Magic Art of Not Giving a Fuck? That's one of the books that people love to read, and it's a wellness book, and it does so well. So research a niche market and pick something you're passionate about and produce an ebook. And then tell people about it on your blog. Write blog posts about it, send out emails about it, schedule social media about it. This is going to help you in the long run, and they will keep making you money. It's called passive income. So you don't have to actively work on it. Once the product is finished, it will keep making you money. And once you put the video out there or put the blog post out there, remind people every now and again, sort of like once a month, but don't ram it down their throats, and it'll keep making that money for you while you sleep. Courses is another great way to do that. People want to learn, and there's no better way of learning how to do something online than with an online course. Look at how well the Open University is doing. Everyone has their own set of expertise. Find what yours is and sell it. Printables is a great way too. Look at Etsy printable shops. I've bought so many planners and bullet journal stickers and bullet journal inlays and calendars from Etsy printable shops. You can make them for free in Canva. Look at what's doing well in your niche. What are they doing well? What are they not doing well? What prices they're established at, and find out how you can make it better and make it your own and put it out there and see what happens. Push it on Etsy, push it on your blog, email people about it when there's new releases, have a YouTube channel, put it in the description of things. This is really going to help you make that passive income. There's people that I follow on Etsy and people who run their Etsy businesses who have made over 30 grand from doing something like that alone, and that doesn't count their extra streams of income. One of my friends who runs an Etsy shop, I bought that candle, that one there. She's called Hodge Makes UK. Again, I'll leave her in the description because we love supporting women in business. But people love people, and people love Etsy, and people love handmade. Printables is a great way to do that. And you can also offer free samples on your blog in forms of lead magnets, which is something I'll get into on an email marketing video. But you essentially set up this one small resource, and when people want it, they enter their email address and you email it to them. They're now on your email marketing list. They get a sample of what you can do and how beneficial you are for them, and you're on their email list as well, so you can keep telling them amazing things that you're doing, and if they want to buy the bigger package, they can do. You can let them know through email. It's a brilliant way to make that passive income, and you can knock something up on Canva in less than an hour. Sell your expertise. Things like consultancy or services is a really great way to make that money. Your expertise, courses, consultancy, mentoring, membership clubs, those kinds of things can really benefit someone. You can pitch yourself to them. If you are successful at something, or if you are good at something, you can sell that expertise to people, because I can guarantee you there are people out there that want it. They're just looking for the right person to do it, and that could be you, and you're not doing anything right now. So what have you got to lose? Nothing. Crack on. You can also sell services, which is what I do. I freelance write. So I blog for people, I sell content and copy, I write ebooks for them, I ghostwrite as well. If that's something you're interested in hiring me to do, I will leave my contacts down below so you can get in touch. But that is an amazing way to make extra money, because content is value for people, and businesses know that content is value. I took a course from a lady called Jordan Roper, she's Jordan Markell now. She did a killer cold emailing course, which again I'll link below, and a how to make money freelance blogging. So how to make money freelancing course, which again I will link below. I took both of these courses, and she went from £0 to £5,000 a month in 4 months after getting fired, just from following her own techniques and finding out what works. So if you follow her techniques without the trial and error, the proven formula, it's going to work in a lot less than 4 months. And you can have a page dedicated to that on your blog, and your blog can act as your portfolio, so you can show businesses what you can really do. So find a niche, research the hell out of it, get your Google PhD, take those courses and put yourself out there, because you have no idea how much you can make from doing something like that. And you can scale your own work. So if you only want to work 10 hours a week, you can. Sponsored posts is another one. So you can contact companies, or if you get big enough, companies will contact you to write a sponsored post about their product. Depending on how big your blog is and how many readers you have and what your conversion rate is like. So through things like affiliate marketing and your own products, you can show people what your figures are. So that means essentially, if you have 1,000 readers and if you have 1,000 readers and every month you sell 10 of your own courses, you have a conversion rate of 1%. And that is something very useful to companies to know. So you can reach out and say, I have a conversion rate of 1% with this many people. this is how much money I can make you by writing a sponsored post, this is how much I charge, and so on and so forth. Sponsored posts can make you between £500 and £5,000 per post, not per month, per post. That's how much people want to put it forward. People like Michelle from Making Sense of Sense, she can charge £5,000 upwards because of how many readers she has. She has millions of readers. This is just part of the business now. Content is so useful to companies, and making sure people endorse them because reviews are so valuable. And there's also the last one, which is ads. Now, ads are very unreliable. Google AdSense virtually makes you nothing. You have to have a certain amount of readers to even qualify, and probably making pennies, pounds a month. Ads only really are useful if you've got upwards of tens of thousands of readers, but once you get up there, yes, use them. They are quite annoying for readers, so don't clutter your page. Maybe like a sidebar or like one ad in the middle. Don't bombard them with stuff because they're not going to appreciate you for that. But it is a way to make money, so I do have to include it because it's a way to do it. So there are the basic steps to start making money blogging. Now let me know in the comments how you're getting on, if you've got any questions, what you are doing to make money blogging and share with other people. But keep in touch and let me know what's going on. Please subscribe and stick around for more videos because I am going to be making a video every week on how to make money from home during your children's nap time as a busy person with a 9-to-5 job. You can create your own business from your living room and make more money, because who doesn't want to do that? You can reach into your unlimited potential, and when I say unlimited potential, there is no cap on earnings when it comes to making money blogging or online or from home. There's no salary cap, there's no hours cap. You can work 10 hours a week and make $5,000 a month or pounds a month or what have you. So this really is a genuine way to do things. So keep in touch and I will see you next week.